Are you a happy baby? Are you a happy baby?
Hey!
Little happy munchkin.
I'm going to get everything I could ever
Kicking
want.
poo.
What?
She was kicking poo. Move your little leggies, girly. Arr.
Poo Kwando.
Look at his little belly. I love your little belly. I love your little belly.
Who's going to throw up on you? Hey, baby girl. You like the noise?
She is very interested in what you have to offer.
Everybody is.
That's what she said.
Good girl. I want to get that chin action. I'm going to zoom in on your chin. Yes.
Wow.
I think I'm going to rip my finger.
Wow. She's so content.